Hello world, hello world. My name is Lily. Sometimes I am smart, sometimes I'm silly. I am 8 years old today. Grab my backpack, let's go play. Walking down the sunny street. Who are the friends I'm going to meet? 1, 2, 3, 4 friends of mine. When we are together, the sun will shine. We are big, we are small. We can stand, we can fall. Look at us, we are a team, like a happy little dream. Hold my hand, let's sing a song. With my friends, I belong. Here comes Bob, he is very strong. He can carry heavy things all day long. There is Anna, she is very shy. She speaks so softly like a butterfly. Richie has money, but he is lost. Oh no, turn left, turn right. Where do we go? And oops, Ollie is clumsy today. He dropped his apple and it rolled away. 1, 2, 3, 4 friends of mine. When we are together, the sun will shine. We are big, we are small. We can stand, we can fall. Look at us, we are a team, like a happy little dream. Hold my hand, let's sing a song. With my friends, I belong. If you are strong like a bear, or if you're shy and hide your hair, shh. If you are lost and need a guide, or clumsy and slip on the slide, don't you worry, I am here. We are friends, let's give a cheer. We are small, we can stand, we can fall. Look at us, we are a team, like a happy little dream. Hold my hand, let's sing a song. With my friends, I belong. Look up at the sky, look down at your shoe. Look left, look right, I love my crew. Yeah, I am Lily, and I am 8.